Okay, good evening, my esteemed viewers out there. It's your favorite tutor, the formula. So this evening we are going to be looking at a very interesting question which you can see right here on my board. So they are asking us that if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 3x squared minus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0, that we should find the equation whose roots are alpha 4 and beta 4. So all we need to do is we just come here, we just say if we are given the roots of any equation, we can find the equation. How do we find the equation? The equation will be in the form of s squared minus sum of root bracket s plus product of roots will give us 0. So what is the sum of these roots? Sum of these roots is, because the roots is alpha 4 and beta 4, so their sum is alpha 4 plus beta 4. So how do we get alpha 4 plus beta 4? Please take note that sum, which is alpha 4 plus beta 4, is still the same thing as alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta all squared. So when we continue, we are going to have the sum of the root is alpha square plus beta square. This cannot be written as alpha plus beta all square minus 2 alpha beta all square minus 2 alpha beta all square. So at the end of the day, we are going to be having that the sum of the roots is alpha plus beta square. Remember, we have innermost bracket minus 2 alpha beta all square. So everything here is alpha square plus beta square square. That is what we are having. The minus 2 alpha beta square. That is what we are going to have. Now, when we continue, you should know, the viewers out there should know that alpha plus beta, as far as symmetricity is concerned, is minus b over a. This will give us, remember that our a is 3 and our b is minus 7. So this gives us minus bracket minus 7 over a. A is 3. So alpha plus beta is 7 over 3. And that our alpha beta is c over a, which is the product of the root c over a. So alpha beta is c over a, our c is 5, our a is 3. So we are going to have something like this. So when we proceed, we are going to have that the sum of these given roots now, which is alpha 4 plus beta 4, which is s arrow is equals to all these things here. Let us substitute. So we are going to have innermost bracket alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is giving me 7 over 3. It is squared minus 2 alpha beta. What is my alpha beta? Alpha beta is 5 over 3. Then we square it minus 2 into, we are looking at this guy, minus 2 into alpha and beta is 5 over 3 all square. So the sum of these roots is, if I quickly simplify, 7 square is 49, 3 square is 9, minus 2 times 5 is 10 over 5 all square, minus 2 into 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. We have something like this. So sum of the roots is, let's quickly simplify this guy by using the LCM. Okay, 10 over what? 3, please pardon me. The LCM of 9 and 3 is what now? Is 9. So we are now going to have 49 minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 10 is what? 30 all over what? 9 all square minus 25 over 9. So sum of these roots, S arrow, will give me 49 minus 30. We are going to have 19 over 9 all square minus 2 times 25, 50 over 9. So we are going to have something like this. So we are not done yet. Let's quickly simplify this. I will clean up this place to create enough time, or to create enough space rather, to allow me continue with my work. So we are now going to add that the sum of the roots, SRO, is 19 squared. Let us quickly see what 19 squared will give us. So 19 squared is 19 squared will give me 361 over 9 squared is 81 minus 50 all over 9. So our LCM is already what? 81. 81 into 81, 361 minus 81 into 9 is 9. 9 times 50 is what? 9. 9 times 50. We're going to have 450. So the sum of the root will give me 361. 361 minus 450. 361 minus, we're going to have minus 89 over what? 81. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the sum of the roots, but we are not done with the question yet. Let us quickly find the product of the roots. Product of the roots is alpha 4, beta 4. This will give me alpha, beta, both raised to the power of 4. So the product of the root, remember that alpha, beta has been given as what? 5 over 3. Let's raise them to power 4. 5 to power 4 is, I think we are going to have 6 to 5. 5 raised to the power of 4. We are going to have 6 to 5. 6 to 5 over 3 raised to power 4. We are supposed to have 81. 3 to power 4. 3 to power 4. Let me quickly check. It's 81. So we are going to have something like this. Now the equation. The equation is s squared minus sum of the roots into s plus product of the roots is 0. So we are now going to have s squared minus the sum of the roots is giving us minus 89 all over 81 into s plus product of the root is 625 over 81 is equal to 0. So what we simply do at this point in time is to simplify by applying the rule of fraction. So we are going to have 81s squared. We are going to have 81s squared. Okay, minus is plus. 81s squared plus, we are going to have something as, okay, we'll multiply through. We're going to have 81s squared. 81s squared minus is plus. What will be left here is 81 times here. We are going to have 89s, please pardon me, plus multiplied by 81. What will be left here is 625 is equal to 0. I think at the end of the day, our answer is going to be 81s squared plus 89s plus 625 is 0. So the equation we are going to have will be something, will be 81s squared plus 89s plus 625 is equal to 0. Okay, my esteemed viewers, this is the much you can take in today's class. So we are going to continue from here subsequently. Thank you.